is how types of sensory receptors. And how does it work? So the process of feeling and us being able to feel things, there is a process to it. So how does it work? So first, sensory neurons. So sensory neurons begins when specialized receptors picks up an environment stimulus such as light, sound, or chemicals. So sensory neurons actually delivers the information to the interneuron. So the interneuron is they act as a messenger carrying the sensory impulses from the receptors to the central nervous system. So the interneuron is actually the one to make the decision to decide what is happening next, and then the signals is then sent from the brain to the muscles or glands. So that's why there's motor neuron. So it is sent from the brain to the muscle or glands for us to act upon them, because motor neurons are the output messengers that carry commands from the central nervous system. Like for example, this is a cup of coffee. So when we touch it and we felt that it is hot, we quickly move our hand away. So the quickly moving our hand away, that is what you call the motor neuron, because we act upon it. And at the same time, our cerebral cortex or the brain is the processing center that interprets the sensory information. So that is where we actually think, or we actually have the form the thought that this thing is hot. So at the same time that happens. So that's why we quickly move our hand away. So next is the importance of sensory and motor mechanisms that will be discussed by Dwayne Silvania.
Let's now look to the importance of sensory and motor mechanisms. Sensory and motor mechanisms help organisms survive by allowing them to detect changes in their environment and respond appropriately. The sensory system gathers information through receptors that detect stimuli like light, sound, touch, and chemicals. This information is sent to the brain or control center, which processes it and sends the signals to the motor system. The motor system then activates muscles or glands to produce a response. Together, these systems enable movement, balance, protection, and adaptation to the surroundings. Now we have the eyes.